Hi guys, I know you struggle while making dosa with MTR dosa mix. So in this video, I'm going to give you tips to make the perfect dosa. Let's have a look at the pack first. This is a 500 gram pack, MRP is 135 rupees and 1 year is the product shelf life. For making the batter, we would need 1 cup dosa mix, 1 cup water and half cup sour curd. It would be better if you whisk the curd beforehand and keep it at a room temperature. Make sure you add water and whisk curd little by little, not in one go. Now give it a good mix and get the right consistency of the batter without any lumps. Next step is let it sit for 5 minutes before you start preparing dosas. After 5 minutes, check whether it has the right consistency or else you may need a little water. Consistency should be like this, pourable and spreadable consistency. Now pour a ladle full of dosa batter on this center of the dosa tawa. Heat dosa tawa on medium flame, not on high flame. If you let the tawa get too hot before adding the batter, it won't get spread in a circular shape. Be gentle while spreading it in a circular shape. Now add a spoon of ghee. If you want a super crispy dosa, then set the flame on low, else regulate the heat to slightly high. Now start with the edges and then the center. Serve the dosa right away when it's hot. This dosa mix has all the ingredients, you don't need to add even salt. Mistakes to avoid while making dosas: using cold batter. Cold batter yields sticky and lumpy dosa. And using a moist tawa. Make sure your tawa is completely dry before you start heating it. And heat it on medium flame, not on high flame. From this 500 gram pack, you can make 15 dosas of this size. Just follow the instruction and enjoy dosa at home with delicious sambar or chutney. So that was all about it. Hope you find the video useful. Like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye.